widgets per language in SquareSpace. Squarespace is a very beautiful CMS, and you have a lot of options for you to create these beautiful websites. And I mean, there is a bit of an issue with the translations. They have a module that automate the translation. I understand that when your market is the US, you don't care much about that, but outside the US, it's normal to have a website with different languages, so that's something to consider. And here we have a website with the navigation, and we just create a page with the translation in English. So if you want to add the widget only for this page, you go here, you go to this icon, and under Advanced, you have an option to include code in the header only for this page. So this is a very nice feature for Squarespace, because you can add the widget per page. You can add the widget only in the pages where you want to have it. So this is very nice. It's very easy. You can go to your account, create two widgets, one for English, another for Spanish, and in the English widget we are going to have everything in English, and the content is going to be, let's say, designed for English speaking customers. And you can go to the Spanish widget, where you can have the widget in Spanish. So you can have two widgets under your account, because also the maybe, I don't know, maybe the agent is different, the phone number is different, maybe everything is a bit different per language, or you want to tell or say different things in different languages. So you can have two widgets, and then you go to Squarespace, you create the content for that language. You can have everything in Spanish, and then you can have everything in English. And in English, you go to this icon, you go to the Advanced section, and you add the widget in that area, and that's it. If you want to add a widget across your website, I mean, if you want to do it, as you normally will do it, you go to Settings, you go to Advanced, yes, Advanced Code Injection, and here you can add a widget across your website. I mean, this is the typical section where you add the widget across every page in your website. This is just to do it once, and it's going to be everywhere. Can you use this section to have two widgets in different languages? Yes, but you will need to use geolocation. So maybe it's not the best option for you, because maybe you have users from the same country speaking different languages. So this is not the same option as having two widgets for two different pages. So it's another way to do it. But geolocation is a very nice tool if you want to enable or disable the widget per country. So that's another option for you to consider. If you want to do that, you go to your widget, let's say to the English version of the widget, and in this version I'm going to add geolocation, only for, I don't know, maybe the Mexico or Spain or something. I can say Mexico, and I want to either block this country or active this country. So that's an option for you to consider, and just maybe maybe makes sense for you to block or unblock users from specific countries. So A few options for you to consider. We know Squarespace is not the best CMS for multilingual, but if you need it, keep in mind it's good to have two widgets, one per language, and this is how you can put it in the page where you have the content in that language. Okay, so hope you like it, hope you use Squarespace, and of course you use WhatsApp to engage with your customers. Okay, thank you, bye bye.